Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to disable Save Click Tones on device in Zoho Click, guys. You can do it easily by following these steps. First, to launch Zoho Click. Then you can see there are many options. Click on 3 vertical lines at top left corner. Then click on Settings option. You can see there are many options. Click on Notifications. Then you can see there's Tunes on Device option of this option. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily disable Save Click Tunes on devices in Zoho Click.